How are you folks? Our series of videos on exploring different features of WeatherMate continues. We've been playing around with weather maps, and today we go on to weather fronts overlays. Just keep in mind that these overlays are for the US only. Turning on the legend. Fronts on a weather map represent the boundary between two masses of air with contrasting temperature and or humidity levels. First, we have the warm front shown as red semicircles. This is a boundary formed when warm, denser air moves into colder, drier air, rising above it, thus producing clouds and causing possible precipitation. Let's move on to the cold fronts, which are shown on weather maps as blue triangles. These are formed as the cold air rises by pushing under the warm air. Appropriate amount of moisture in the atmosphere can result into thunderstorms. We can also find out the coordinates and atmospheric pressure of the location by tapping here. And here we have the occluded fronts as well, which are represented by purple colored alternating semicircles and triangles. These are formed when cold, dry air rushes in to substitute cooler air ahead of the warm front. Now we head on to stationary fronts. Stationary front is the separating boundary between two different masses of air which are not moving. Weather remains clear to partly cloudy along such fronts. These are represented by interchanging red semicircles and blue triangles. And we can also find out the coordinates and atmospheric pressure of this location as well. Finally, we go on to the trough, which is the region of very low atmospheric pressure and is represented in WeatherMate as a dashed line. You can see that the pressure here at this location is about 754 millimeter of mercury. So that's it for today, guys. I know we had quite a bit of work out today. Well, see you then. Take care.